A very good morning, one and all. Welcome to second standard science class. Today in this class we are going to discuss about chapter number 3 in the second standard science, that is uses of animals. In the previous classes we already discussed about first chapter, second chapter. We are moving on third chapter in the second standard, that is uses of animals in our day-to-day life. Clear? In this chapter we are completely detailedly discussed about how animals are very useful to our day-to-day life. Clear? The first uses of animals. Page number 72. All the students please open the textbook to page number 72. Now observe here. Here, use of animals. This is the third chapter in the second standard. Now listen here. Circle the things that we get from animals. Correct? We have to circle the things which is coming from animals. Andre animals inda bandiro vastuna you have to circle. Circle the things that which comes from animals. Now listen here. It is a egg. First, clear? You already know that egg it is coming from which? It is a animal, nothing but kodi, hen. Correct? Kodi inda bandide. Therefore, the egg it is coming from animal. Okay na? Second one, maize, godi. Correct? This second object it is coming from plants. Third one, wool, dara, unne. Clear? Now it is coming from animals. Again we have to circle. Third one. Next, fourth one, mango. Clear? Mango, you already know that it is a fruit. It is coming from plants. Then fifth one, wood. It is also coming from plants. Flesh, mamsa. Clear? Now it is coming from animals. You have to circle. Next, milk. Clear? You already know that milk is come from cow and buffaloes. Clear? And also goat. That means this is also coming from animals. And honey, it is also coming from animal. Honey is come from honeybee. Honeybee is also one type of small animals. Clear? That means you have to circle for egg, wool, and flesh, milk, and last one it is for honey. Clear? Regarding this chapter, first concept we are going to discuss about, that is domestic animals. Clear? Domestic animals and wild animals. In the animal category we can observe mainly two type of animals. One is domestic animal, another one is wild animals. This kind of wild animals which lives in the forest, like tiger, giraffe, elephant, cheetah, clear, etc. This kind of animals we are called as wild animals. And second one is domestic animals. Clear? Some of the example for domestic animals are nothing but cow, buffaloes, donkey, goat, camel, horses, or some of the animals we can tame. Tame nothing but we can change the behavior of the animals. First for example, if you take a horse, ತುಂಬಾ ರ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಳಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಲೈಕ್ ಕೌ, ಬಫೆಲೋಸ್, ಗೋಟ್, ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪಳಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರೋ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ are nothing but cow, buffaloes, donkey, goat, camel, horses. Clear? These are some of the example for domestic animals. Clear? Why we are tamed this kind of animals? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು animals ನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Because this kind of animals we are taken because of food. Main thing, food. The some of the animals which gives food, for example milk, clear, and some of the animal which give flesh, ಮಾಂಸ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, egg ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, this kind of things which is coming from animals. ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ತರ animals ನ ನಾವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? because of main thing is food. Clear? See here, example, goat, cow and buffalo, it gives milk. Clear? Cow, buffalo and goat which gives milk to us. And another one thing, hen which gives egg, duck, hen, these are the animal which gives egg. That's why we keep them to do some work at the homes and the farms. ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? this kind of animals ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಅದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೊಲ ಗದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. this kind of domestic animals. The first important thing why we are taking caring the domestic animal, because this kind of domestic animals which give us food. There are mainly two things. One, cow, buffalo and goat which gives milk, and hen, duck which gives egg to us. Okay na? Now listen here. Here, animal gives us food. I already explained that cow, buffalo and goat which gives milk. ಹಾಲು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಸು, ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಮತ್ತೆ goat, ಕುರಿ. Clear? This kind of animal which gives us milk. ನಮಗೆ ಹಾಲು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಹಾಲನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಕರ್ಡ್ ಸರಿನಾ, ಮೊಸರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. another one is ghee, ತುಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. and the third one is cheese, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ, ಮೊಸರು, ತುಪ್ಪ. like that we are making variety of item by using the milk. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. clear? The first thing, the animal gives us food. The first food which is coming from the animal in type of milk, and second one we are getting from the animals, that is egg. Clear? Here hen, ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. correct? ಇನ್ನು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ತಿಂತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. duck is also gives egg. goose it is also one type of ಬಾತು ಕೋಳಿ, ಎಬ್ಬಾತು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. like that it is a one type of duck only. Clear? That means hen and duck and goose it is also give egg. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ the animal which gives us milk and egg. And also in our day to day life, some of the animal we eat flesh of the animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಆ animals ನ ಮಾಂಸ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. For example, we are eating chicken, mutton, fish and prawns, ಸೀಗಡಿ ಮೀನು. Clear? hen, ಕೋಳಿ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ in day to day life. chicken, goat, mutton, fish and also prawns nothing but ಸೀಗಡಿ ಮೀನು. ಈ ಸಂತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ variety of fishes it is available, like that ಮೀನು, ಏಡಿ. Clear? like that we are eating some of the different type of animals. animals ನ ಮಾಂಸ ನಾವು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, which is make it as a food for us. some animals eat the flesh of the animals like hen, goat. The people also like fish and prawns that gives in water, that lives in the water. Clear? meat ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? regarding the animals which gives us food, the food which is in the form of milk, the food which is in the form of egg, and also directly we are eat the flesh of the animals like goat, fish. Another one is hen, prawns. Clear? like that we are eating some of the flesh of the animals. Clear? It is the first point. Clear? The animals which gives us food. The animals not only gives us food, the animals which gives wool. Now listen here, first point. We get wool from the sheep. ನಾವು ಕುರಿ ಮರಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಮೇಕೆ ಕುರಿಯಿಂದ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಶೀಪ್ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? wool, ದಾರ, ಉಣ್ಣೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜ್ಜ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊಟ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೂಲ್. By using this kind of wool we can make sweaters. This kind of sweater we can use in the winter season. ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಳಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಿರೋಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಸ್ವೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. This kind of sweaters which is made by using the sheep. ಆ ಒಂದು ಶೀಪ್ ನ ಚರ್ಮದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ wool. And another one thing, in our day to day life the ladies wearing the different type of sarees, silk sarees ನ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಸೀರೆನ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, they are wearing the silk saree. The silk, it is nothing but it is come from silk worm. ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳುವಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳುವಿಂದ ದಾರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. using that thread they are making the silk sarees. Clear? And third one, by using the honey bee we are getting the honey. Correct? ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ. Clear? This kind of ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ? It is coming from honey bee. That means the animals not only give us food, the animals give some type of cloth. ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, nothing but woolen cloth. And also it gives silk sarees and honey bee which gives honey. Next, not only get cloth, some of the dead animals, see here we get leather from the skin of the dead animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸತ್ತೋಗಿರುವಂತ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಚರ್ಮದಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, we are making shoe, belt, bags, jackets. Like that we are making some of the different type of things by using the leather. ಈಗ for example leather slipper ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, leather shoe ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, and also we can use some of the leather bag, clear, leather belt, leather jackets. These are very costly because this kind of item which is made from skin of the dead animals. Clear? Skin of the dead animals. There is a one simple activity it is given here. Tick the things made from leather. ಈ ಒಂದು 6 ಐಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆದರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ ಗೆ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದಿಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. It look like jacket. Clear? You already know that the jacket which is made from leather. Tick the first one. Second one is look like sweater. You already know that sweater it is made from woolen. Therefore it is not made from leather. Third one, belt which is made from leather. Tick. Bag also made from leather. Third one, shoe it is also made from leather. And the last one it is sweater. Sweater it is again made from woolen. Okay? Neatly tick the correct answer. Next. And regarding two things we have discussed that. First thing, the animals which gives us food. Second thing, the animals which gives cloth like woolen cloth and also silk saree. Some of the skin of the dead animals we make it as jacket, shoe, bag, belt, etc. Clear? And next, the animal make our work easy. That means ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸನ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಗುರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Animals, nothing but we are using transportation purpose. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಗಿಸೋಕೆ we are using animals. ನೋಡಿ, see here is a camel cart. ಸರಿನಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ಒಂಟೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಗಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪುಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಗೇಜಸ್ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಾಂಕಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಕತ್ತೆನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾರೋ ಅಗಸರು ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಒಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಗಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಆನೆನ ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಯ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್. ಹಾರ್ಸ್, ಕಾರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Like the animals like horses, camels, ponies nothing but horse. Elephants, oxen nothing but eating gadi. Donkeys, etc. help us to carry loads. People use them for riding also. This kind of animals ನಾವು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಲೋಡ್ ಲಗೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Clear? And also this kind of animals uses for ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಮಲ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಸಹ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. See another one important thing here. Did you know? What do you know? A horse sleeps while standing. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕುದುರೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Horse rarely sit down in their lifetime. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾರ್ಸಸ್ ನಿಂತೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ರೇರ್ ಹಾರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ thing is that is pet animal. This is the last concept regarding this chapter, that is pet animals. Clear? That is the last concept. Pet animals. You already know that some of the animals like dog, cat, parrot, rabbit, this kind of animals we can take care in our home. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಯಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೆಕ್ಕಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗಿಳಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಅಂತ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಏನು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆನ ಕಾಯುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಯುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಾಗ್. ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಲಿಗಳು ಕಾಟ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಇಲಿನ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ animals like pets. Clear? This is the third chapter, that is uses of animals. Regarding the uses of animals, the animals mainly used as food. Second thing, the animals which gives us cloth, which gives us silk saree. Some of the skin of the dead animals which gives bag, belt, shoe, slipper, etc. And also some of the animal we can use to carry the load from one place to another place. And third thing, some of the animals we can make it as pet. Clear? This is your third chapter, that is uses of animals in our day-to-day life. Clear? In the next class I will give CW regarding pet, regarding the uses of animals. Okay, thank you one and all.